touch.
Hey, what are you doing?
I was just sneezing, brother.
What is this way through what's happened?
No, that was... no. I've just sneezed. I didn't mean to do that, bro.
Oh, okay, you have shoes free?
No, bro.
Not a problem.
No.
You small food. You have shoes?
I know, I'm sick.
Oh, he's sick.
Yeah, I'm sick. I mean,
What
that's
Okay.